Airtag found moving with you but not mine. I'm going to show you what this means and how to fix it. As you can see right here, I have a notification that says the Airtag found moving with me. And what this actually means is there's been an Airtag. It might have been your friend's, it might have been someone's that was connected to your phone, or a new Airtag that someone opened that they're trying to set up, and your phone tried to link it to your phone. So if we open this notification like so, as you can see, it will actually allow you to click continue if this is yours. Or if you don't recognize this, you want to click on don't recognize. But firstly, click on continue. And once you do that, you can actually see the movement of the Airtag in the last day. You can actually see the time that this Airtag moved with you. As you can see, this is probably my friend's Airtag because this route looks familiar to me. But if this route does not look familiar to you, this might be suspicious, and you can actually disable this Airtag, whether it is yours or not your friend's. I'm just going to disable it. And this is my friend's Airtag, which is already connected to his phone. Click on done. Once doing so, and it will actually take a second, but it will disable this Airtag. If you want to learn more about it, you just click on learn, but you have to bring the Airtag closer to your phone. And if you don't have the Airtag, then don't worry about this. If you want to turn off these notifications, all you do is you click on items, click on add items, and you can either add an Airtag if you have a new Airtag, or you can click on other, and it will actually search for the Airtag that may be nearby to you. And that is simple as that. You cannot turn off this notification. It's just a safety feature, and unless it is not your Airtag and it's moved in the exact same movements as you, it will not show up.